Hello, my name is Cora with the Creation Table. Today our special guest is Violet. For this episode, we're going to be asking Violet some questions.
Then we'll make slime.
Then we'll end with some encouragement from us to you. Hey Violet, do you have a fun fact for us today?
Did you know that pandas can eat bamboo for a long time?
How long?
16 hours.
What? Do you like to eat for 16 hours a day? So do pandas. What do you like to do for fun?
Always play outside.
Nice. What do you like to do outside?
Gymnastics.
Let's do this. For this episode, we are going to be making slime.
I like slime because it's pretty and squishy.
And it's really easy to make. You can buy the ingredients at a store or online.
They even have slime kits on Amazon.
Now, the key ingredients. You're gonna want Elmer's glue. We measured 5 ounces.
You need 9 to 10 teaspoons of Activator. And you're gonna need a plate
And a mixing utensil.
There's also pretty ingredients you can add to your slime.
But they're optional. Like foam balls and glitter. Now let's get started. We're adding our glue and adding our activator.
Now mix, mix, mix.
Be warned, it can be kind of messy.
Make sure it's not that sticky so it won't get sticky on your hands.
So I'm mixing the slime so that it's not too sticky and it's just right. I like to twirl my slime like this. I'm going to be adding this bottle of glitter. So right now I'm going to be pushing these all into the slime so it gets it all in. You have to mix it and mix it until it gets that nice texture with the decorations.
For mine, I'm going to be using this.
Now it's time for foam balls.
We made these last night.
As you can see, you can play around with colors and ingredients. So how your slime turned out?
This is one idea to stay safe and stay home.
So, what does slime have to do with the Bible?
The slime is like our life. It can get a little sticky, it can get a little crumbly, pretty much not what we planned.
But Jesus is our activator.
In Mark 10:27, there's a Bible promise.
Jesus tells us, with man it is impossible, but with God all things are possible. What are some things that can be stressful?
Homework,
Studying,
the distance learning,
stresses at home,
chores all day,
not being able to do as many physical activities.
and it's all stressful.
But God makes it possible to get through. Do homework with another person.
Do gymnastics,
Make things.
like slime.
Encourage each other.
Listen to positive music.
Learn a new trick.
Cook something nice.
Call an old friend. They might need to hear from you.
There's so many things you could do.
Remember, God loves you. He wants to help your faith and encourage you.
And there's a special song to encourage you. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me, for the Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me still today, walking with me on my way, wanting as a friend to give light and love to all who live. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me, for the Bible tells me so. Thank you for joining the creation table.
Click the subscribe button down below.
And follow on YouTube.
Until next time, adios amigos!